I have seen so many complaints about the issues when removing the print from a Mingda Magician, especially with the glass plate thingy finish. And before I do that, look at this amazing tree support. I was just trying it out to see how it actually looks like, and it is gorgeous, so much better in person. This is really good. So what I'm gonna do, this is obviously stuck to the bed. I'm gonna try and show you how hard it is to remove this off the bed. As you can see, really difficult. There you go. That didn't take much force at all, and it just popped right off. And this is the Mandalorian helmet I'm printing for someone that asked for it, and I've never done it, and I'm printing it in 4 parts. So that's a good experience. I'll probably showcase the finished product once I'm done. Well, that's it. Removal of the print from Mingda Magician Max. Should be the same for the ads as well. Alright, that's it. Cheers.